How to style the latest 2024 trends like a pro. As we settle into 2024, fashion enthusiasts are excited to explore the latest trends, from bold statements to timeless classics. This year's style trends are all about mixing personal expression with versatile, high-impact pieces that bring new energy to your wardrobe. In this video, we'll walk through the most anticipated trends of 2024 and give you tips on how to style them like a pro, so you can elevate your looks and stay ahead of the fashion game. 1. Bold neon colors. Bright, eye-catching colors are taking center stage in 2024, with neon hues emerging as a favorite. Neon green, electric blue, and vibrant orange are not only making outfits pop but are also redefining the concept of standout style. To incorporate neon into your wardrobe, start by adding small accents with accessories, like neon bags or belts. For a bolder look, go for a neon top paired with neutral trousers, or even a full neon outfit that you can balance with subtle shoes and makeup. Neon works best when balanced with more neutral tones. For instance, if you're wearing a neon pink blazer, keep your pants white or beige to create a more sophisticated look that draws attention without overpowering. 2. Power suits with a twist. Suits are continuing their dominance in 2024, but this year they come with exciting twists. Think asymmetrical cuts, unique patterns, and unexpected colors. To nail this trend, choose a suit in a bold shade or with an unusual detail like a cropped blazer or wide leg pants. For a touch of femininity, try a suit in pastel or metallic shades that contrast with the traditional idea of power dressing. Wear your suit with a simple camisole or a turtleneck underneath to keep the focus on the suit itself. Accessories like chunky gold jewelry or a sleek handbag can add a refined edge to complete the look. 3. Luxe leather layers. Leather has made a big comeback, but this year, it's all about layering and experimenting with different textures and finishes. Leather coats, skirts, and even pants are perfect for creating a layered look that feels modern and fresh. To embrace this trend, start with a high-quality leather jacket and build your look around it. Leather trench coats or blazers are especially popular this season, providing a sleek, edgy vibe. To keep your leather outfit from feeling too heavy, balance it with soft fabrics like cotton or silk. For instance, wear a leather jacket over a flowy dress, or style leather pants with a lightweight blouse for a balanced contrast of textures. 4. Elevated basics. The elevated basics trend is all about taking simple pieces and making them the highlight of your outfit through quality and subtle design details. Think oversized white shirts, tailored trousers, and minimalist dresses in high-quality fabrics. This trend is perfect for creating a sophisticated look without much effort. Choose elevated basics in neutral colors and classic silhouettes that can be dressed up or down. For example, pair a high-quality white button-up shirt with relaxed fit jeans and loafers for a timeless, effortlessly chic look. Add a statement bag or chunky gold jewelry to enhance the sophistication. 5. Sheer and see-through fabrics. Sheer fabrics are a bold trend that's all about balancing playfulness with elegance. From sheer tops to dresses with transparent details, this trend can add a layer of intrigue to any outfit. When styling sheer pieces, think about layering. A sheer blouse over a contrasting bralette or a sheer skirt over shorts can give you a chic and daring look. If you're hesitant about going too bold, start small by incorporating a sheer scarf or sleeves. Sheer fabrics look best when combined with more structured pieces, like pairing a sheer blouse with a tailored blazer or high-waisted pants. 6. Maxi dresses with modern silhouettes. Maxi dresses have made a return, but in 2024, they are more structured and come with fresh, modern details like cutouts, pleats, and asymmetry. The beauty of maxi dresses is their versatility. They can be dressed up with heels for a formal occasion or worn with chunky sneakers for a casual, street-style look. Choose a maxi dress that suits your body type and personal style. focusing on interesting cuts or bold patterns. Belt your dress at the waist for added structure or layer it with a leather jacket to add an edgy twist. 7. Metallic accents. Metallics are a major trend in 2024, giving outfits a futuristic yet glamorous touch. From silver and gold fabrics to metallic footwear and accessories, incorporating a bit of shine into your look is a fantastic way to stand out. Metallic blouses, skirts, or pants can add a high-fashion twist to an outfit, especially when styled with neutral pieces. 8. Cargo pants and utilitarian style. Utility-inspired fashion is making a statement, with cargo pants leading the charge. This trend blends function with fashion, offering pockets and loose silhouettes that bring a relaxed vibe to any outfit. To rock cargo pants, pair them with a fitted top or a blazer for a high-low combination that balances casual and polished styles. 9. Statement sleeves. Statement sleeves are one of the most playful trends of 2024, with oversized, puffed, or ruffled designs adding dramatic flair to outfits. When wearing statement sleeves, let them be the focal point by pairing them with simple bottoms. For example, style a puff sleeve blouse with straight leg jeans or a sleek skirt. 10. Mix of prints and patterns. Gone are the days of sticking to one pattern per outfit. Mixing prints is a daring trend for 2024, and it's a fun way to make a statement with your look. To pull off this trend, start by choosing prints that share a common color palette. For instance, pair floral and polka dot patterns with complementary colors, or mix stripes with checks in similar shades. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one.